Hello students, now we are going to discuss NEET previous year questions from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. First question from NEET 2020. A cylinder contains hydrogen gas at pressure of 249 kPa. kPa units means kilo Pascal. Okay, units of the pressure is Pascal. kPa means kilo Pascal, and temperature 27 degree centigrade. Its density. So we are going to find the density, and also R value R equal to 8.3 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. R means universal gas constant. What are the given values? Pressure P equal to 249 kilo Pascal, and temperature T equal to 27 degree centigrade, R equal to universal gas constant 8.3 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So we are going to find the density. What is the symbol of the density? Rho. Rho equal to find out. Okay. Here universal gas constant units are mole inverse Kelvin inverse, but here temperature is centigrade. So converted into Kelvin, what happened? How you convert degree centigrade into Kelvin? Plus 273. So 27 plus 273 equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay. So pressure equal to 249 kPa, kilopascal. Actual units of the pressure is Pascal. So kilo equal to 10 to the power of 3 Pascal. Okay. These are the given data. We know that ideal gas equation. What is the ideal gas equation? PV equal to RT. Okay. Where P is pressure, V is volume, R is universal gas constant, T is temperature. What we are going to find in this question? Density. Is there any density symbol? No. This equation I am converting in terms of the density. Before that I am multiplying mass both sides. Okay. I am multiplying mass on both sides. P into M into R into T into M, here volume. This volume comes to this side, M by V. Pm equal to RT into M by V. M by V means mass upon volume. Mass upon volume is called as density. Okay. So Pm equal to RT into density. Density rho equal to Pm by RT. This is the density formula. Density formula we are deriving from ideal gas equation. So where pressure value, substitute all these values. Pressure P equal to 249 into 10 to the power of 3 M. M means weight, atomic weight of the hydrogen gas. In the question already given, hydrogen gas. What is the atomic weight of the hydrogen gas? Atomic weight of hydrogen gas is M equal to 2.0 0.016 gram per mole. I am converting gram per mole into kg per mole. 1 gram equal to, first of all, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. I want to 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. 1 by 1000 means 10 to the power of minus 3 kg equal to 1 gram. So 1 gram equal to 10 to the power of 3 kg. Okay. So 2.016, 1 gram equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kg per mole. This is the conversion of gram per mole into kg per mole. So m value equal to 2.016 means nothing but 2 into 10 to the power of 3. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by R value. Universal gas constant R value 8.3 into temperature. Temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay. Here 10 to the power of plus 3, here 10 to the power of minus 3 will get the cancel. On numerator 249 into 2. Its value is 498. Denominator, I am removing point here. 83 into 10 to the power of minus 1 into 3 into 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of minus 1 here, 10 to the power of 2. Here 10 to the power of minus 1 to 10 to the power of 1. So on denominator 498 by on denominator 83 into 3, 249, here 10 to the power of 1. It will comes into numerator. What happened? 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay. So it's how many times gets the cancel? Approximately 2 times. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 means 0.2. What is the units of the density? Density formula is mass upon volume. What is the units of the mass? Kg. What is the units of the volume? Meter cube. So this is the density value. Rho equal to 0.2 kg per meter cube. Okay. This is the answer. See the options. Rho equal to 0.2 kg meter cube. Option C is the correct answer. Next question from NEET 2019. Increase in temperature. What happened here? Temperature is increase of a gas filled in container would leads to. So a gas is filled in a container. If the temperature of the gas is increases, would leads to what happened? If your temperature is increases, what happened in the container? This is a container. I am filling the gas, placing the piston. Okay. What happened here? Temperature is increased. How the temperature is increases? By the burning of the gas. Okay. If you provide the heat to the system, then temperature of the system is increases. So if you increase the temperature is increases. What happened inside the container? Inside the what happened? Temperature is increases, then energy is also increased. How the energy is transferred? In form of heat. This heat energy is converted into kinetic energy. Okay, when temperature to the system is increases, what happened inside the container, heat is increases, that the heat is converted into form of kinetic energy. So temperature is increases, what happened inside the container, kinetic energy is also increases. So temperature is increases, kinetic energy is also increases. What is the formula of the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy Ke equal to 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 is constant, N is number of moles, R is gas constant. So this total term is constant. So whenever you remove the constant, what happened? Proportionality symbol is added. So K is directly proportional to T. So kinetic energy is increases, so temperature is automatically increases. Otherwise, temperature of the system is increases, its kinetic energy is also increases. So what happened? If you temperature of the system is increases, inside the container, kinetic energy is also increases. See the options. Increases in its mass, not possible, wrong option. Increases in its kinetic energy, option B is correct. Decreases in its pressure. Pressure is increases or decreases? When you supply to heat to the system, what happened? Its pressure is increases. So option C is wrong. Decreases in intermolecular distance. When you increase the temperature to the system, what happened? Intermolecular distance will be increases. When you decrease the temperature, intermolecular distance is decreases. So when you increase the temperature, inner molecular distance is increases, but here decreases. This is also wrong option. So option B is the correct answer. Next question, NEET 2017. A gas mixture consists of 2 moles of hydrogen gas, 2 moles of hydrogen gas and 4 moles of argon gas at temperature T, neglecting all vibrational modes, the total internal energy of this system. So here one system is there, that system consists of 2 moles of oxygen gas and 4 moles of argon gas. What we are going to find in this question? Total internal energy of the system. First of all, 2 moles of oxygen gas, next 4 moles of argon gas. Okay, first of all, these two gases are comes to monoatomic gas, monoatomic molecule, or second one diatomic molecule, or triatomic molecule. Okay, first of all we are going to find these two molecules are monoatomic molecules or diatomic molecules or triatomic molecule. First of all, what is meant by monoatomic molecule? Monoatomic molecule is a one molecule, in the molecule containing only one atom. Okay, a molecule which containing only one atom, that molecule is named as the monoatomic molecule. What are the examples? Helium, next argon, neon, krypton, etc. Those are all monoatomic gases because it contains only one atom is present. What about the diatomic molecule? This is also a molecule, it contains two atoms. Di means two. A molecule which contains two atoms that molecule is named as the diatomic molecule. Examples are carbon monoxide, CO, HCl. Next, another example, hydrogen gas. Okay, every molecule has contained two elements. Here carbon and oxygen, here hydrogen and chlorine, here oxygen, two atoms. Okay, what about the triatomic molecule? This is also a molecule which contains three atoms. Okay, first example, water, H2O. Next, CO2, etc. These are containing three atoms, H2, two hydrogen atoms, one oxygen atom. Here one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Those are called triatomic molecule. What about the degrees of freedom? Degrees of freedom for monoatomic molecule F equal to 3. Degrees of freedom for diatomic molecule is F equal to 5. Degrees of freedom for triatomic molecule F equal to 6. Okay, remember students, degrees of freedom for monoatomic molecule F equal to 3, degrees of freedom for diatomic molecule F equal to 5, degrees of freedom for triatomic molecule F equal to 6. These are all the possibles of the rotation of the molecule. Okay, now total internal energy we have to find out. Total internal energy is denoted by letter U. Total equal to internal energy of the hydrogen gas plus internal energy of the argon gas. Okay, what is the formula of the internal energy? Internal energy U equal to F by 2 nRT, where F is degrees of freedom, N is number of moles present in the gas, where R is universal gas constant and T is temperature. Okay, so what about the oxygen? Oxygen internal energy UO2 equal to O2 is the diatomic molecule. For the diatomic molecule, degrees of freedom value F equal to 5. Okay, by 2 N number of moles. How many number of moles given in the gas? For the oxygen, 2 moles of the only 2 moles. So 2 into R into T. Okay. For argon, argon equal to UAR equal to, so argon is the monoatomic molecule, its degrees of freedom value 3 by 2. How many moles given? Argon gas containing 4 moles of argon gas, so N equal to 4 R into T. So total internal energy U total equal to oxygen gas internal energy means 5 by 2 into 2RT plus argon gas internal energy 3 by 2 4RT. Here 2 gets cancelled, here 2. So 5RT plus 3 to 6RT. Okay, 6 plus 5 11RT. So total internal energy of that system equal to 11RT. So U total equal to 11RT. See the options. So option C is the correct answer, 11RT. Next question from NEET 2017. 16. A given sample of an ideal gas occupies a volume V at a pressure P and absolute temperature T. The mass of each molecule of the gas is m. Which of the following gives the density of the gas? Here ideal gas is given, that is a sample gas. It contains volume V, pressure P, temperature T and molecules of the gas is m. So this equation, from the equation converted into density. Okay. What is the formula of ideal gas? PV equal to RT. If you take the n moles of gas, PV equal to nRT, where n is number of moles of gas, n equal to, what is the formula? N equal to mass of the substance by molecular weight. Mass of the substance means given the gas, okay, mass of that gas and molecular weight of the gas. So mass of the substance I am taking the m and molecular weight I am taking the m naught. Okay. Substitute in case of n equal to m by m naught. PV equal to m by m naught into RT. P equal to, I am rearranging the terms, P into m naught equal to m by V into RT. Okay. M by V means mass by volume is called density. Density denoted by rho RT. P equal to rho by m naught into RT, where m naught is molecular weight. If suppose I want to molecular weight of CO2, how to find the molecular weight? Here C means carbon. How many atoms are present? Only one. So number of atoms n naught into, here substance is carbon, so mass of the carbon, okay. So mass of the carbon is denoted by letter m. So plus next is oxygen. How many atoms are present? 2 atoms. So number of atoms for the oxygen into next mass of the oxygen. Okay. So molecular weight means number of the atoms into mass of the substance. So molecular weight m naught equal to n naught, number of atoms present into mass of the substance m. So m naught equal to n naught into m. So substitute m naught equal to n naught into m. P equal to rho by n naught into m into RT. P equal to R by m into, rho by m into R by n naught into T. So R means universal gas constant, n means number of atoms or Avogadro number. Okay. So R by n naught is called Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant Kb equal to universal gas constant by Avogadro number. Okay, so R by N naught means Kb, that is Boltzmann constant, rho by m into kbt, p equal to, finally what we are going to find, density rho equal to p m by kbt. Okay, so rho density equal to pm by kbt. This is the formula for the density by using the ideal gas. So rho equal to pm by kbt. See the options. So rho equal to pm by kbt. Option C is the correct answer, pm by kt. Next question from NEET 2016 phase 1. Okay, the molecules of given mass of a gas have RMS velocity of 200 meter per second. Here RMS velocity is given, that is 200 meter per second at temperature 27 degrees centigrade and pressure P equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton meter square. When the temperature and pressure of the gas are respectively, means this is the second temperature and this is the pressure. Okay, gas is same but values, temperature and pressure values are different. Okay, the RMS velocity of its molecule, if your temperature is changes from 27 to 127 degrees centigrade, so what is the RMS velocity? We are going to find the RMS velocity value. Okay, what is the formula for the VRMS? RMS velocity, VRMS equal to square root of 3RT by m. Okay, where R is universal gas constant and T is temperature of the gas and m is mass of the gas. Here 3R is the constant and gas is also not changes, so m value is also constant. What are the changes here? VRMS equal to square root of T. Okay, first of all, first given RMS value is 200 meter per second, so VRMS 1 equal to 200 meter per second and temperature T1 27 degree centigrade. Next, second temperature T2 equal to 127 degree centigrade. Next, VRMS second value we are going to find, VRMS 2 we are going to find. Okay, first of all I am converting temperature centigrade to Kelvin, so 227 plus 273 300 Kelvin. Here also 127 plus 273 equal to 400 Kelvin. Okay, next VRMS 2 by VRMS 1 equal to square root of T2 RMS V2 temperature T2 by RMS velocity 1 by temperature T1. Substitute that values, VRMS 2 by VRMS 1 value 200 meter per second, temperature T2 400 Kelvin by temperature T1 300 Kelvin. So VRMS 2 equal to 200 square root of 400 by 300. 2 zeros with 2 zeros gets the cancel. So 200 into square root of 4 means 2 by root 3. So VRMS 2 value 200 into 2, 400 by root 3. That is the second VRMS value, 400 by root 3. If you increase the temperature 120 degrees centigrade, so its RMS value is 400 by root 2 meter per second. See the options. 400 by root 3 meter per second. Option D is the correct answer. Next question from NEET 2018. At what temperature will the RMS speed of oxygen molecule becomes just sufficient for escaping from the earth atmosphere? Okay, here oxygen molecule is there, that molecule trying to escape from the earth atmosphere. Okay, here mass of the oxygen molecule 2.76 into 10 to the power of 26 kg. Next, Boltzmann constant Kb equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule Kelvin inverse. Here condition is RMS speed V RMS equal to V escape velocity of the escape velocity. So what is the value of the escape velocity? 11.2 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometer per hour, that is the escape velocity. Okay, this is the constant value, escape velocity 11.2 into 10 to the power of 3. So VRMS value in terms of the Boltzmann constant. So VRMS formula in terms of the Boltzmann constant is equal to 3 kBT by m, where kb is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, m is the mass of the oxygen gas. We are going to find the temperature of that oxygen molecule. Okay, substitute all these values. Square root of 3 into Boltzmann constant value 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 26 into T by mass of the oxygen gas 2.76 into 10 to the power of 23 here. Mass of the oxygen molecule 2.76 into 10 to the power of minus 26, here 23, 26. Okay, observe carefully. First of all, I am removing point here, square root of 3 into, I am removing point here. After the point 2 digits are there, so 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 10 to the power of minus 23, so total 10 to the power of 25 on numerator into T. On denominator also removing point 273. After the point 2 digits are there, 10 to the power of minus 26. So total value 10 to the power of minus 28 equal to 11.2 into 10 to the power of 3. Now squaring on both sides. So here root will get cancel, 3 into 138 10 to the power of minus 25 into T by 276 into 10 to the power of minus 28. Here 2 times 11.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So 10 to the power of 11.2 into square 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, here I am doing the square 11.2 into 11.2 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So 10 to the power of 6. 138 into 3, 414 into 10 to the power of minus 25. Denominator 276 into 10 to the power of minus 28 equal to 11.2 into 11.2 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, 414 by 276, it will comes into numerator 10 to the power of plus 28 minus 25, so 10 to the power of 3 equal to 11.2 into 11.2 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, finally what we are going to find, temperature of the oxygen, T equal to 11.2 into 11.2 into 10 to the power of 6 by 414 by 276, its value is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, this total value approximately equal to 8.36266 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, this is the temperature. So temperature of the oxygen, T equal to 8.36266 into 10 to the power of 6. Units are Kelvin. Okay, so this is the temperature of the oxygen, T equal to 8.36266 into 10 to the power of 6 Kelvin. See the options. So answer is 8.36266 into 10 to the power of 4K. If you want to, you can calculate this value. Okay, try to calculate. Almost I am simplified this calculation. You can find only this value. Okay, its temperature T equal to 8.36266 into 10 to the power of 4 Kelvin. So 8.360 10 to the power of 4 Kelvin is the correct option. Next video we will discuss some more problems.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.